How to fix Snapchat error due to repeated failed login attempts or other suspicious activity. Your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix Snapchat blocked login. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Now before we start, we have to understand why such error occurs. The error occurs when there is too many failed login attempts in a short time, or if you have used any of the VPNs, emulator or third-party Snapchat application, or if you have performed some suspicious IP behavior or account flagged by Snapchat's automated security system. So in that case, you will see such error. Now, in order to fix it, the first option that you can do is you have to wait it out. Wait for 12 to 48 hours and Snapchat may automatically unlock access if no further suspicious activity occurs. If that still does not help you, then you can either unlock from the web portal. Go to the Snapchat unlock page in a browser and then try to log in. If you can see the unlock button, click on unlock and your account will be unlocked. If not, then you have to wait it out for 12 to 14 hours. If that still does not help you, then you can clear application keys and data. For that, you have to navigate to your application, tap and hold on the application and then head towards the app info. Under app info, tap on storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. After that, you can go back and then reopen the Snapchat and check whether your problem is now solved or not, or if you can log in back or not. If that still does not help you, then update or reinstall the application. Make sure that the application is updated, or you can also try to uninstall the application from your device. After that, reinstall the Snapchat from the Google Play Store and then re-log in into your account and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then you can try to switch between your mobile data or different network and see whether your problem is now solved or not. In this case, Snapchat may flag specific IP addresses on public or shared networks, so it's better to switch between your network. If that still does not help you, then you can contact to the Snapchat support. For that, open up a browser, type in Snapchat support, follow the on-screen instructions, and then you can report your problem and Snapchat will get back to you with the help. And that's how you can fix the blocked login problem on Snapchat. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.